rain that falls, a flower grows. I believe, I believe, oh I believe, oh I believe, I believe, I believe, oh I believe, oh I believe. They said you wouldn't make it so far, and ever since they said it, it's been hard. And never mind the nights you had to cry, 'cause you would never let it go inside. You worked real hard and you know exactly what you want and need, so believe. And you can never give up, you can reach your goals. Just talk to your soul and say, I believe I can, I believe I will, I believe I know my dreams are in. I believe I'll chance, I believe I'll dance, I believe I grow real soon, and that is what I do believe. I believe I can, I believe I will, I believe I know my dreams are in. I believe I'll chance, I believe I'll dance, I believe I grow real soon, and that is what I do believe.
Believe in you, believe in me. All together sing, we are one family. Whether you come from here, or you come from Japan.
Yo, hold on, we are one, yeah, man. Believe in you, believe in me. All together sing, we are one family. Where they come from, yeah, they come from Japan. Yo, hold on, we are one, yeah, man. I believe I can, I believe I will, I believe I know my dreams are in. I believe I'll chance, I believe I'll dance, I believe I grow real soon, and that is what I do believe.
My cameraman, Soji, can just work with me. Can you put up your hands, please? Yes, I believe in you.
It's so cryptic.
Yes. Scare all of us. All right, Penwood, hi, welcome to the competition this year. I can see the effort in putting this song together. I'm glad you took the second song because it redeemed what was happening to you in the first one. I also, just like Mikey, I would have loved to hear more harmony because you people can do it. I hear the kind of singing, you can do much more with it. And we could have tightened up the arrangement a little bit better. Right? Also, last thing I must say, please understand that you do have control over your nerves. You can tell your nerves to just be still. Some of you were so nervous that, you know, it was interfering with their performance.